If you want to record screen on your Samsung Galaxy A26, so first of all, swipe down from the top right corner and open up the screen recorder. Let's hold our finger on it. So here, look at your screen recording. So here you can set up your settings, such as selfie video size from small to large, your video quality, your media sound, whether to show taps or touches, and where to save our screen recordings. So in order to start this process, let's swipe down from the top right corner and open up this control panel and press on our screen recording. Now choose whether you want to record sound or no, and whether to show taps and touches or no. And let's press start recording. Here is your countdown, you can skip it. Now there we are, this is our screen recording. So you can turn on your selfie camera. Also, you can tap on this pencil, choose the color and the thickness of this pencil, and you can draw something if you want to. Right? To stop our screen recording, tap on this pause, and to disable it completely, tap on this stop icon. You can find all of your screen recordings in your gallery. And basically that's how it works. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.